Back here on Jordan's Mustang. Got it here the other day after I picked it up.
And we are in complete shock.
Well, not really, because I already knew about this.
Yeah, but I am. I have no...
Oh, yeah, Scotty...
How the hell do you get... I mean, I don't know if you can see that on camera.
Oh,
Catch
yeah,
it on the
can.
right angle.
Oh, yeah.
Right? I'll point to it. Here, right? Ready?
Oh, no, it's right there. Yeah. Yeah, I see.
That's... I've never seen that.
Yeah. Yeah, I went over this when this was at Jordan's house.
Wow.
So, that's where we're at. It's coming out.
I don't think it's salvageable, in my opinion.
Oh, no, we discussed it. It would be very expensive to have Brian sleeve everything. So that's why we have a replacement. We got it actually from Alan and Brandon over at Mustang Country. It's actually out of Brandon's personal car. It's only got about 10,000 miles on it.
Oh, Mustang Country got us?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's actually out of one of the guys that works his personal car because he converted it to the V8. Yeah, that belt's been on there a while.
Un momento, por favor.
Are you going to play Frisbee with that?
Yes, I am. I'm afraid to God I make it.
Ooh, ooh.
Nope.
Oh. You're not good at disc golf. Come on. Bam. Got it. All right, so taking her apart, going nuts. Gonna get this out, have it ready to go.
What about my nuts?
I don't know. Ooh, the Phoebes left you a note.
I found all the bike parts.
Yay!
Sweet.
Anywho,
Yes. For those of you that are playing the home game.
yeah, Scotty got a free bike from our homie.
I got a motorcycle. Yep.
That you have to put together.
Not a big deal. I love projects. I really do. I mean, it kind of really does make life a lot easier, in my opinion, because now, if it breaks...
Does that mean you're just going to be here more?
Yes.
Oh, damn it.
I know,
No,
right? There goes your fucking personal space out the friggin' window.
I don't have personal space.
We can arrange it, get rid of the two front cars, make a bedroom up there, put a wall up.
Fuck it. Anyway, so this baby's coming out.